Okay, fifth grade. So now that you have written your hypothesis and we've kind of talked about what we are going to be experimenting about today, you can notice that in my jar that I have right here, I do have that water and baking soda mixture, which is what we needed. It is measured out and everything else. And then you can kind of see those green little stems. That is from the aquatic plants that we saw yesterday in our experiment. What I did was I cut the stems, and I had to make sure to cut them underwater so that we didn't get any, we didn't kind of change what the outcome of the experiment. And so they are just sitting there waiting for what we need to do go on. So what we are going to do right now is we are on step number 3, where we're going to record our findings. And instead of using a lamp, I'm actually going to use a flashlight right here. And what we're going to do is we are going to measure 4 different distance, and we have to record this for 3 minutes. So I have my timer already ready to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let the flashlight sit at each of these different distances. And as you are watching this, I'll kind of move the camera in a little bit more so that you guys can count the bubbles. So for 3 minutes, you are going to look at this jar of water and baking soda with some aquatic plant stems. And as you are watching it, I want you guys to count the bubbles. So the first one, and I can zoom in, and I know it might get a little grainy here, but the first one that we're going to be doing is we are going to be looking at 6 inches of the lamp distance away. So I'm going to get my phone ready to go. Sorry guys, that's where my timer is going to be. I have it set for 3 minutes, and I'm going to turn the light on, and then you need to count the bubbles. So we're about at that 1 minute mark. So we've got 2 more minutes to go. Got about 45 more seconds. and go ahead and stop counting and record it on your paper.